Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. For the ones who are seeing my face for the first time, hi, I'm Ruchitha and I'm a civil engineer. I would appreciate if you take a moment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. So guys, I hope you are doing great. Take care and stay home. Don't go out unnecessarily. So I hope this time pass soon and everything gets back to normal. Fingers crossed. Yeah. So moving on to the video. Today's video is gonna be a rescue video. Rescue because for the ones who don't like Upma, I know there are a majority ones who don't like Upma. I am in between. I can tell. One day I'll like and the other day I won't. So for me, it's okay. Upma is like okay for me. But for the ones who don't like and hate Upma, this recipe is for you. Whenever your mom prepares Upma, you can prepare this dish and enjoy it. Okay, so without any further ado, let's roll into the video. Take a cup of upma and add 3 to 4 cup of rice flour to it. Here I've taken 4 cups, but you can add 3 cups also. That'll be fine. Then take a cup of grated carrot. Then a cup of finely chopped green leafy vegetables. Then 2 cups of finely chopped onions with chilies. Then mix well. It's better if you mix with your hands, it will be easier and you can mix it properly. After it's mixed, add salt for taste. Add til. Then add ajwain. Rub it through your palms before adding. Then add jeera to it. Now mix well again. Now start adding water. Initially add a glass of water and mix it. Later when you find you need some more, add little by little and keep mixing it. Make sure you add little by little with small intervals so that your dough doesn't, become liquid or any of that kind and it gets its consistency. The consistency should be of very soft. It shouldn't be hard or too watery also. So this is how the consistency should be. So now your dough is ready. Now we have to cook it. Take a non-stick tawa and apply oil all over it. Then take a dough and pat it on the tawa completely. You can dip your hands in water if it feels sticky. After it's completely patted on the tawa, you can keep the tawa on stove for it to cook. Then you can close it with the lid and it will be cooked after some 5 minutes. Then you can turn it over and cook the other side. When both the sides are completely cooked, you can serve it hot and that's it. It's very simple. You can eat this with ghee or you can eat it that way only, or you can eat with any chutney. Here I'm eating with methi chutney and ghee, butter, curd, with anything you can eat it. So that's how it is. So that's it for today's video guys. I hope you enjoyed it and do try the recipe out and let me know in the comment section how it was and did you guys like it or not, because this is my favorite. I love it. No pizza, no burger. Give it every day, every meal I can have this. I won't be tired. Swear. I love it so much. If you like the video, then please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell button also so that every time I upload a video you get notified. I post every Tuesday, so until next Tuesday I hope. Till then, take care, stay home, stay safe, stay clean, and everything. What all you want to do, take all the measures and be fine, guys. See you. Bye.